How to check if your Nike shoes are original or fake. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can check if your Nike shoes are original or fake. There are generally three ways to check if they are original or fake. Number one is using the serial number by checking the UPC via serial code. Next one is scanning the UPC and checking the barcode via a special site. So for this, you can send the serial number on your Nike product and make sure that the serial number on the product tag is identical to the serial number on the shoe or box. For original Nike UPS, it will be located at the bottom or the side of the box adjacent to a number of other product information. After that, you can open the browser on your cell phone and go to the search engine or Google to type the product serial number listed. For example, Nike C1F7497777. If the product is genuine, Google can identify it by displaying an image of the shoe model, and then you can scan the UPC barcode. And the way to check Nike's UPC by scanning a barcode is opening the scanner app or feature on your cell phone, pointing the scanner camera at the UPC barcode on your Nike shoes, and when the barcode is recognized, you'll be directed to visit the qr.nike.com/shoe serial number page. And if you visit that site, the browser will display the images of the original Nike products. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.